This is lesson 3.7, problem solving. It is found on pages 151 through 154 in your workbook. So I got something kind of sad to tell you. My son came up to me a few days ago and said, "Can I have a book, Mark?" I was like, "Son, you've lived with me all this time and you don't even know my name is Joshua?"
That never happened.
Okay, well, no, it didn't, because it's a joke. Moving along. And just so you know, that was actually my son. Alright, so our learning target in this lesson is to solve multi-step word problems involving money. Hopefully you can do that on your own by the end, because we're going to be using decimals, right? Because decimals and money have a lot in common. Alright, so in this lesson we're going to use the problem-solving plan. The problem-solving plan has 5 steps. You read the problem. Please read the problem. Don't just think you need to do some kind of math in there. Read the problem to find out what's going on. What do you know? So what do I know? Well, I know that in this problem, a fitted baseball cap costs $14.95 and adjustable cap costs $7.95. What do I need to find? What do you need to find? Well, how much more is the cost of 2 adjustable caps than 1 fitted cap? What should I do? And in this example, you're going to add $7.95 plus $7.95 because 2 adjustable caps. See? 2 adjustable caps. And then you need to subtract the 1 fitted cap to find the difference in the price. Alright, so they do that. They do $15.90 minus $14.95 to get 95 cents. So 2 adjustable caps cost 95 more. So you read the problem. You figure out what you know. You figure out what you need to find. Figure out what you need to do. And then solve the problem. I'm going to do number 1 with you, and then on the rest, on 2 through 6, I'm going to have you read it, figure out what you know, what you need to find out, what should you do, and then solve the problem. Alright, so number 1, how much more is the cost of 2 short sleeve shirts than 1 long sleeve shirt? So long sleeve, $17.95, short sleeve, $12.95. So I'm going to do $12.95 plus $12.95 minus $17.95. Alright, so $12.95 plus $12.95. We got 10, 19, 5, and 2. So $25.90 minus $17.95. Alright, let me erase some of this so I can do it neater. So $25.90 minus $17.95. So I've got 10, 18, 14, 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 18 minus 9 is 9. 14 minus 7 is 7. So there I've got it. $7.95. So what do I know? I know the prices. What do I need to know? I need to know how much more the cost of 2 short sleeve. So I'm adding the 2 short sleeve, subtracting the price of 1 long sleeve, $17.95, to find out what the difference is. What do I need to know? I need to know the difference between those 2 costs. Okay? So as you're reading number 2 here, you're reading the problem, you're figuring out what you know, then what you need to find, then thinking about what you should do, and then solving the problem. Go ahead and do that, and then we'll go over it. Alright, so 3 smartphone games cost $5 each. So 3 times 5. you made an in-game purchase of $1.69. That's what I know. So 3 times 5 plus $1.69. How much money did you spend? It wants to know all this together, doesn't it? So I'm going to have to multiply 3 times 5 because I bought 3 games that cost $5 each. So 15 plus 1.69. Right? Now it wants to know how much money I spent. So I'm going to solve that problem. I need to add. So it's going to be $16.69. All right? Hopefully you did that. Alrighty. Number 3. Solve that one. Read it. Find out what you know, what you need to find, what you should do, and then solve the problem. Alright, so you go to the movies with $20. That's what I know. I've got $20. You buy a movie ticket that costs $4.50. What's happening there? Yep, I'm subtracting. A drink that costs $2.25 and a bag of popcorn that costs $4.75. Right? So you spend all this. Write and evaluate an expression to show how much change you received. So I've got $20 and I'm subtracting all this. I'm going to add all of it together. So 2.25 plus 4.75 plus 4.50. Alright, so I'm going to do 2.25 plus 4.75. That's 2 plus 4 is 6. That's going to be 1. So 7 plus 4.50. So that's going to be 20 minus 11.50. So that is going to be, what, 8.50? Alright, and if you did it the traditional way, it would be $20 minus 11.50. So we get 0, 10, 9, and 1. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, so $8.50. I really hope you're showing your work on this and not just putting down the answer as I give it to you. Make sure you're showing your work. Alright. Number 4. Go ahead and solve that one, and then we'll go over it. Alright, so what do I know? I know I bought this and this, the car and the batteries, right? And a extra pack of tires. Okay, so I gave the cashier $25 and I received $62 and change. How much did the pack of extra tires cost? So I got $25. And I'm subtracting $17.89 plus $5.49. Alright, let's do some work here. So $17.89, $5.49, 18, 9, 13, 8, 13, 2. So $23.38. Well, $23.38 is how much those two cost, and the person gave me 62 cents and change. Well, I'm going to add 62 cents to this, and it's going to be $24. Well, $24, $25, 25 minus 24, $1. $1. That's how much it cost. Yeah, that one you had to do a lot of thinking. Alright, number 5. Go ahead and read and solve that one and we'll go over it. Alright, so your friend buys the same car as you, but buys 2 packs of batteries. Your friend also buys an extra remote control for the car that costs 10 times as much as a pack of extra tires. Your friend pays with two $20 bills. What is your friend's change? Alright, so He bought the same car, so it's $17.89. And then 2 packs of batteries, so $5.49 plus $5.49. It's going to be $10.98. So $10.98. And then also buys an extra remote control for the car that costs 10 times as much as a pack of extra tires. Well, the pack of extra tires cost $1, so that's $10, right? Your friend pays with 2 $20 bills. What is your friend's change? So I'm going to take all this, subtract it from $40. All right, so we got $20.98. See, I'm combining these two, plus $17.89. We've got 17, 18, 8, and 3, so $38.87, and we need to subtract it from 40. All right, so let me erase some stuff up here, and let's subtract $38.87 from 40. We've got 10, 9, 9, 3. So we've got 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1. $1.13. Oh, we need to put that 1 back up here. Alrighty. Whew. Those were some challenging ones, right? There's a lot of things you had to find out. Alright, well, let's go to number 6. Try number 6, and then we'll go over it. Alright, admission for children under 13 costs $1.50, less than adult admission. What is the cost for 2 12-year-olds? Okay, so $1.50 less. So $5.75. We're going to subtract $1.50. It's going to be $4.25. $4.25 plus $4.25 because it's 2. See, this is going to be $4.25. For 2 of them, it's going to be $8.50. $8.50. Let's make that 5 look more like a 5. Well, alrighty. I hope you can do this, because our learning target was to solve multi-step word problems involving money. Hope you can do that. Hope you can look back at that plan and use that plan. Right, let me show you that plan again. You read the problem. You ask yourself what you know. You ask yourself what you need to find. Then think about what you should do, and then solve the problem. Hopefully you can do that. And you know what? If you need some help, I love you, so I'm glad to help you. All right, y'all have a good one.